Hi, I'm Guld with Geeks on Tour, and this is just a quick tip about how to get an emergency phone number to display on the lock screen of your Android phone. So imagine that you are in an accident and you are incapacitated. This is Jim's Pixel phone, and here is my phone number showing up right on the lock screen. Here is my Samsung, and there is Jim's phone number showing up right on the lock screen. Let me show you how to do that. First, the Samsung. It's in Settings, so you go into Settings, and then Lock Screen and AOD. That stands for Always On Display. Tap there and scroll down. Contact information. Right there is where you can write anything you want. ICE stands for in case of emergency, and then put in the phone number. On the Pixel, it's also under Settings, but slightly different place. Settings and Display and Touch. And Lock Screen. And here is where you can add text on lock screen. You can use ICE, you can type emergency, and then a phone number. And save. It could save your life.